is a class 9 chapter 1 number system. I'm going to teach you all the representation of root 3 on the number line, or even you can say locate root 3 on the number line. Okay, now let me start with it. But before giving you all the representation diagram how to do it, let me give you all this. Okay, now you'll have to locate root 3 on the number line, right? So OA square. Now OA square, I have already given you all this. OA square plus this AB square plus OB square. OB is what? This, right? What we got is OA and AB is what? 1 unit each. So 1 square plus 1 square is equal to OB square. 1 square is nothing but 1 plus 1 is equal to OB square. And what it is? Root 2 is equal to OB. This I have already given you in the previous lecture. Now let us move towards this. Now we are doing what? OB square, BC square and is equal to OC square. Okay, this is what we need to find out. Now what is OB? What is OB? OB is root 2. So plug root 2 over here. It is square. So square, okay, plus BC is what? BC is 1 unit. Is equal to OC is what? We need to find out, right? Now OB is square is what? Now what is going to happen? This is going to get cancelled. Okay, now what is going to remain is 2 is going to remain plus 1 square is 1 is equal to OC square. Okay, now what you are going to get is 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Okay, so moving towards the next part, okay, that is this one. So 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 is equal to OC square. Okay, now this implies that root 3 is equal to OC. Now I will be giving you all the representation of root 3. Okay, so you'll have to take this in inches. Okay, draw a line in inches. Okay, first. So these are all in inches. Okay, whatever it is. So this is -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, next what you'll have to do is you'll have to keep this T exactly on 1. Okay, here like this, and mark here exactly 90 degree over here. Okay, then you will have to draw a line from that 90 degree, whatever you have marked. Now you will have to take exactly 1 unit this, okay, and cut. Then check if it is exactly the same 1 unit, okay. You can just check this. Okay, so now join this line, okay. Now take this as your O. Take this as your A and take this as your B. Okay, now take the measurement of this OA. From that you'll take an arc. Okay, draw this thing. Okay, so this line, it was your root 2, and whatever you got is root 2. Okay, so what is this point? This point is root 2. Okay, whatever you got. Okay, so we are done with representation of this root 2. Similarly, you will have to keep the D on this line. Okay, exactly bring it over here and mark the point 90 degree over here. So from here to here, join the line. Okay, now take exactly the 1 unit you'll have to take from here, keep it here, okay, and then cut an arc. Okay, and from there you'll have to join it over here. This line you'll have to join it right here. Okay, and this is your root 3. Then from keep this here and keep the other point over here. Exactly take the distance of 0 to this. Okay, and mark this as C. Okay, and from O to C take the measurement and then take a arc. Okay. So this is your nothing but your root 3. Whatever you got here is your root 3. Okay. So this is your root 3 part over here, whatever you got.